video we will learn how to turn off media streaming on Windows 10 or 11. So very basic way. Search here control panel, category, then network and internet, then again network and sharing center. Now this last and third option, media streaming options. In this left side panel, click on it. Now you will see, name your media library here, and like network. Just guys, to disable and turn off, click on block all. Here you have to select block all, select network like all network, and select block all, then click on OK, and that's it. Now restart your system. So thanks for watching, and this is the way you can turn off and disable media streaming. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.